from number 19. Laking tanong, 10 seconds. Jumper is no good. Offensive rebound. Second free throw by Mr. Gomes. Still good. Pass number 19, laking tanong. Number 19 ang kailangan. Pass to number 50. Dito off. Naglaman. Basket is good. Number 50. Tapos sa Akbay. Intercepted by Mr. Dito. Nakakuha ni Binyan Yata. Binyan Yata. Pass to number 28. Basket is good. Number 22 pa rin ang kailangan. 53 seconds. Open under. Good. Offensive rebound. 40 seconds to shoot. Big Kang layup. Basket is good. Still by number 18. Number 15, jumper, no good. Offensive rebound, basket is good. Change like that. 15 seconds to shoot. Tolentino pass to Escoto. 14 to shoot. Number 82, basket is good. Number 82, Nala. Number 22 na mamadali. Isang 3 and 1. Ortega, basket by number 15. 15 to Binka, 27 seconds. So, masaya na yan. Basket is good. 15 pa rin. Into sa ilalim. Off the glass. Basket is good. 1-0. Offensive rebound. Rebound na balik ulit. Steal by number 8. Nice pass. Basket by number 57. Last 8 seconds. Another steal by Carolina. 5 seconds. 43 layup. Rivera, 8 seconds to shoot. White, on the shot now. Second free throw by Mr. Rivera. Again. 73. First free throw by Mr. Guerrero, guys. Good. Second free throw. Pass to 12. Mr. Kiko, number 15. Nice pick. Oh, basket is good. May kasama ang foul. Tolentino, forward pass, number 21. Masyado malakas yung pasa. Napaw pa rin ni Tolentino. Tolentino sa ilalim. Cover. Offensive rebound. Basket by Tolentino. 14 seconds on the shot. Pass to 43. 82-75. Jumper, no good. Offensive rebound by Montes. Reverse. Basket is good. Number 57. 15. No good. Offensive rebound. Basket is good. 84.